Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into subtraction, specifically focusing on the subtraction algorithm with borrowing. This is a fundamental concept in mathematics, and understanding it well will pave the way for more complex calculations. We'll be working through an example directly from your textbook, so please open your books to page 32. Get ready to learn step by step. Subtraction with borrowing can seem tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Now, let's look at the example problem on page 32. I'll read it aloud, and then we'll break it down together. The problem might look like this. Let's say we have 32 to 17. The first thing we need to do is set up the problem vertically. This is a critical step because it ensures that you align the place values correctly, preventing any errors in your calculations. That means writing the numbers one on top of the other, aligning the digits in their place values. So, we'll write 32 on top and 17 underneath it, making sure that 2 and 7 are in the ones column, and the 3 and 1 are in the tens column. Draw a line under the 17, and put the subtraction sign, a minus sign, to the left. Remember, proper alignment is key to accuracy. Next, we start subtracting from the ones column. We have 2 minus 7. But wait a minute, we can't take 7 away from 2, because 2 is smaller than 7. This is where borrowing comes in, and is the core of this lesson. We need to borrow from the tens column. Always remember this important rule: you can't subtract a larger digit from a smaller one in the same place value. So, we look at the 3 in the tens column. We're going to borrow 110 from the 3. What does it mean to borrow 110? It means we're essentially taking a group of 10 ones from the tens column. This leaves us with 2 in the tens column now. We'll cross out the 3 and write a 2 above it. Then, we take the 110 we borrowed and add it to the 2 in the ones column. 110 is equal to 10 ones, so we add 10 to 2, which gives us 12. Cross out the 2 in the ones column, and write 12 above it. Now the ones column has a value that we can subtract from. Now our problem looks like this: we have 2 in the tens column and 12 in the ones column minus 17. We can now subtract in the ones column. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Write the 5 in the ones column of your answer. Next, let's move to the tens column. We have 2 minus 1, which equals 1. Write the 1 in the tens column of your answer. So, our final answer is 15. Great job! That's how we solve 32 minus 17 using the borrowing method. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently solve subtraction problems with borrowing. Remember, when the top number in a column is smaller than the bottom number, you need to borrow from the next column to the left. Take 1 from that column, add 10 to the top number in the current column, and then subtract. Always double check your work. This is a good habit to develop to minimize errors. Let's try another example, just to make sure we've got it. Let's work on the next problem on page 32. If you have any difficulty, go back through the steps we just covered, and you'll be fine. Practice these problems, and you'll master subtraction with borrowing in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing, and you'll become subtraction superstars.